Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Makeup by Sunrise back with another video for you today. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Make sure you click that red button down below to join the crew and know what's going on with me always. Today's video is going to be featured on some of my favorite matte lipsticks right now. So we're still in the era of wearing masks, although it is warmer here in New York City, but some places are fully open up, some places are not, so you still got to make sure you're socially distanced and still wearing a mask. But at the same time, you still want to look cute, so here's a couple of matte lipsticks that might be just right for you. Okay, first things first, I just want to let you guys know I do have 5 shades from the Lip Bar, 2 shades from NYX Cosmetics, and then 1 from CoverGirl. So I'm just going to go through them one by one, and then you guys could, make your judgment from there. First shade is this dark purple color. It's called Crown Me from the Lip Bar. You can purchase this at your local Target like what I did, or you can purchase it online at thelipbar.com. So usually this is, if you've never seen it before, this is what it looks like. So it has the applicator soft tip. So just like this, how I took it out the bottle, usually I don't have to dip back in because it holds a lot of product on here, which is a good thing. So what I'm gonna do first is just line the outside of my lips, and then we're gonna fill in the spaces below. So you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you keep a steady hand, because then well, for me, I don't like to go outside of the natural lining of my lip, unless if I'm going for that look where I want a more pouty lip. So you can go outside of the lines of your lip if you need to, or just stay within the lines. Okay, so just like that. So what I did, I just lined the bottom, and then I lined the top in along with my Cupid's bow. So I'm gonna let that dry down for like a couple of seconds, and then the same applicator, because like I said, I don't use a lot, I'm gonna go right back in and fill in those spots. Okay, so now that it's dry down, this is how Crown Me the Purple Matte Lipstick from the Lip Bar looks. I did go in and put one more light coat right at the center of my lip and dried it down, and this is how it looks. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Second color, Boss Lady from the Lip Bar. It is like a ruby red color, and let me tell you something, they knew what they were doing when they named this Boss Lady, because this is really like, I'm giving you businesswoman, I'm giving you first class, I'm giving you school teacher, like giving you principal, matter of fact. Oh, and by the way, just to let you guys know, in between takes when I'm switching out the lipstick, I use the Neutrogena night calming makeup wipe to take it off, and then I also use my Juvia's lip balm in papaya, just so you know, put on a light layer of lip balm so that my lips don't dry out. But either way, with these lips, what you call it, matte lipsticks, they're not drying. You know how sometimes when you put on matte lipsticks, they make your lips feel cracky and like a desert, like you just sucked all the moisture out of your skin. Let me tell you something, these matte lipsticks do not do that. The formula is perfect. This is the third color. This is the shade Savage by the Lip Bar. It's this rich brown color. Sometimes, depending on the lighting where you're at, it might look like a reddish kind of brown, or it might look like a chocolate brown. This has become one of my favorite shades from the Lip Bar. um throughout like the fall kind of winter season, I wore this lipstick a lot, and I really love it because I've always wanted to get lipsticks or lip glosses that have like a nudish kind of tone, or in that earth tone kind of color that matches well with darker complexions, and this is the one. So this shade is called Savage. All right, so the next color is called Low Key by the Lip Bar, and this is a dark brown. So it's more of like, like dark chocolate. That's the best that I could relate it to, dark chocolate. So this is Low Key, and then Savage, the one that I showed you before, is more like a milk chocolate. Okay, so if you guys could see the difference, I see the difference. Let me know which one you like more, so you could tell. Like when I purchased Savage, I was gonna get another one because I love it so much. But then one day I walked in Target and I saw Low Key, and I was like, And at the time, it was sold out online, so I had just got lucky enough. So I said, let me pick it up and see what's the difference. And I love both, but Savage is my number one go-to for a dark brown. Well, not dark brown, but for a nice chocolate brown matte lipstick. Savage is my go-to. But this is Low Key. Let me know what you guys think. And final color from my lip gloss collection is called Unimpressed, and it's this pinkish kind of mauve color. So I want to show you guys a hack. So this is what it looks like straight out the bottle. So obviously if I just put that on, y'all gonna be looking at me like, girl, where you going? It might like take y'all back until like 2009, 2010, where everybody was wearing those pink lipsticks with like no liner. We not doing that. So I'm going to show you guys a hack. I did a couple swatches of some brown lip liners that I have. I have a dark brown, a regular medium brown, one that's like a mauvey brown, and then a nude brown. So those are the four colors there. So as you can see right next to these two, well, this nude truffle, it's called Nude Truffle from NYX. It's probably almost translucent, like it almost matches my hand. And then you have the dark brown and like that medium brown color, and then this is the mauvey brown. So I'm trying to figure out which one suits it much better, so I'm going to show you guys here on camera. So before I go in with Unimpressed, I'm going to use this brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store, and this is the chocolate brown color, not the dark brown, but the regular nude tone chocolate brown. And I'm just gonna line the outer V's of my lips on both sides, and then I'm gonna take a light coat of Unimpressed and then apply it in the middle, and then see how it goes to see if I can, just blend it out. Because remember, this does dry down matte, so we want to make sure that it's an even tone and it doesn't just look like pink and brown, pink and brown. We don't want that. The final look of how Unimpressed looks along with that brown lip liner. So the reason why I added the brown lip liner, because I like I said, this will be counted as too bright for my complexion, but not necessarily. It just depends on how you apply it. You don't want to apply the whole lipstick on you, because then it's gonna look like, woo. If you know how to, I don't want to say mute the color, because you're not really muting it. If anything, you're just kind of like toning it down so it can match with what you have going on, depending on, like today I don't have on any eye look and it looks fine. Or if you want to match it to your eye look or whatever makeup look you're doing for the day, you just want to make sure that it fits you. All right, and for my dark skinned brown girls, don't let anybody tell you you can't wear pink lipstick. You just gotta know which tone is right for you, boo boo. Okay. up is going to be my favorite matte lipsticks from NYX Cosmetics. I already went ahead and lined my lips with a dark brown liner because this next lipstick is my go-to, so I already know what to do with it. So this is in Stockholm. This is the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it's like this pale pink color. And I'm gonna just show y'all already because like I said, this is my go-to. So after I put on my dark lip liner, I'm just gonna dab this here in the middle, just spread it out. Okay, I told you girls, don't let nobody tell you you can't wear pink lipstick. You just gotta know. And usually when I do this technique, I add like a little gloss on top of it. But that was pre-COVID. But now you can't really wear gloss. I mean, you can, but with the mask, everything gets sticky. It's just like, let's not do that. So, that's that. Real quick and easy. Okay. It's kind of almost like a natural, how can you say, a natural nude lip. So like I said, if you want, you can add some gloss on top of it, some clear gloss or a gloss that matches this lip color. And when I tell you, it's so bomb, so bomb. Like if you go back in a few of my videos from when I first started, or even some of my looks that's on Instagram, a lot of the lip combo I use is this dark lip liner, soft matte lip cream in Stockholm with some gloss on top, and you good to go. Next up is gonna be Berlin in the NYX soft matte lip cream. I have on a little bit of dark lip liner, not as much as I did in the previous clip, and I'm just gonna do the same technique, dab it lightly in the middle, and then start spreading it out. So this is more of like a kind of reddish brown color, and I love that the fact that these are so soft because like right now to me it feels so good on my lips, just going through all those matte lipsticks and then in between taking them off and then putting on lip balm. So this is like very soothing to me. So okay. Like I told you, I've been looking for, you know, nude lipsticks that match my skin tone. If it's not the exact color of my skin tone, but you know, that can complement me well. I've been looking for them, and this is another one in addition to the two that I showed you in the lip bar collection that really have just like done the thing for me. Like okay. And you don't have to apply with this specific color, you don't have to put on a brown lip liner, but I just like to because it's just me. Like, so what? But I love this lip. All right. And with this, like I said, like the previous color, you can add gloss on top of it if you want to. You don't have to, but it's all your decisions at the end of the day. It's all up to you, honey boo boo. Last but not least in this total collection that I've showed you guys, this is the CoverGirl Outlast Ulti Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cabernet with Bay. Okay, so this is a really dark red, like a wine, like dark wine red lipstick. And I love it so much because it's so sultry and like so Like, to me, I would prefer to wear this more in the fall season because, you know, it just fits. It's so vampy, it's so cool, you know, so edgy. But like I said, you can wear this throughout whatever season that, you know, that's going on. It can also, you know, just be that's your steez. So whatever fits you. The application process with this is a little bit different compared to the other lipsticks. So it has a really long applicator stick, and then the applicator soft brush at the bottom is really soft. And the difference with this applicator and the ones from the lip bar, as you can see, when I was applying the ones from the lip bar, they go on shiny, and then within like 36 seconds they dry matte. With this, as soon as it comes out the bottle and you start applying it, it starts drying. So this means business. So you got to move quick with this. So what I did my top lip first, and I did the bottom, because usually with matte lipsticks, my bottom lip is more of like a problem area, especially here in the center, because sometimes your lips connect, so that when you separate them, it takes the product on your top lip, and then here in the center it doesn't have any product. So it took a little bit more time for me just to keep small details and make sure that they look on the same tone. So now I'm looking at my other mirror here that's off to the side, and I'm seeing the same thing from the camera and the mirror. It's the same top and bottom, so that's a good thing. That means I did good. So let me know what you guys think about this lipstick. This is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys returning to my channel. For all my returning subscribers, and for my new subscribers as well, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the crew. Make sure you click that red button down below, and make sure you give my video a thumbs up and share it so that others can know what's going on with Makeup by Sunrise. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.